Hey, it's me, Zephyr Beeblebrox, the British Tech Guru. And we've still got the same kind of fairly minimal flickering readings. And let me see if I can zoom in a bit on that for you. You can see that's doing something. And what I've got, this whole thing is running off a 9-volt battery, which is going through a buck converter, which is going to this circuit here. This is now correct. This is 100 nanofarad. That is 10k. That is 1 megohm. And that is a BC517. Now this is my sensor, which is a BPX 61 with a scintillating crystal, CSI, thallium doped cesium iodide, and the tape is keeping the light out. So the only light on the crystal will be from the crystal itself, or the only light on the sensor will be from the crystal itself when hit by radiation. Now, here I have a rather suspect watch from Walmart. Yeah, it's gone kind of green and nasty, but it does have luminous figures, so it might, if I put it on there, it might give me a reading. Now if I remove it, then the reading doesn't change much. Now I've got some tritium on order, so I'll try it with the tritium. So far the results are encouraging and not encouraging. The circuit diagram is the same, and I think I've got everything right. So we just have to wait and see. I have some experts in the wings advising me, and we'll have to see what they say.